Now, I believe these are the chargers I got from Amazon. Feels like it. Yep. I have this. So this is like my higher quality 3-foot, and then I bought a pack of 1-foot cables. And we will open them up, so I'll be right back. And here we are. Just had to cut some tape on these. So here's the nice cables. Happy. Oh, just says happy. Not happy. I think it's like a review thing. And then it comes with a little pouch as well. Then inside is the cables, plural. It's like Velcro. Oh, that's cool. And here are I got lightning cables for my iPhone. This is a set of 2, and they're like braided and thick on the end, so they shouldn't frail or break easily. But this is how long. This is 2 of them. That's about how long it is, 3 feet. And that, and then the other boxes. These are just generic ones that I got. They're all like individually in bags, but I'll take one out. Yep, just 1 foot long little lightning cables. Awesome. Alright, so that'll do it for this unboxing. Thank you.